Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at one Olympiad on logical question. Evaluate square root of fourth root of 20 plus square root of root 5 minus 1 minus square root of fourth root of 20 minus root of root 5 minus 1 over square root of fourth root of 20 minus root of root 5 plus 1. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Challenging questions are there. So here, please encourage the channel. So here, how to solve this problem? So first, what you have to do is you have to take the square on numerator, root of fourth root of 20 plus root of root 5 minus 1 minus root of fourth root of 20 minus root of root 5 minus 1 whole square. You are taking whole root so that the value won't change by root of fourth root of 20 minus root of root 5 plus 1. Now here if you open this a and b, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, what will get root of a square, the root will go fourth root of 20 plus root of root 5 minus 1 b square, square root of 20 minus root of root 5 minus 1 minus 2ab minus 2ab square root of fourth root of 20 plus square root of root 5 minus 1 into square root of fourth root 20 minus root of root 5 minus 1. Now the terms will get cancelled. This is positive and this is negative. The denominator we have to write. So the denominator is square root of fourth root 20 minus root of root 5 plus 1. Now here it is 2 times square root of 2 into fourth root of 20. Here a plus b into a minus b will get a plus b into a minus b minus 2 root of root 20 minus of root 5 minus 1. A square minus b square. The denominator won't change. The denominator will be square root of fourth root of 20 minus root of root 5 plus 1. Now if you open the bracket here, square root of 2 into fourth root of 20 minus 2 into square root of 2 root 5 minus root 5 plus 1. If you open the bracket here, you will get this value by the denominator is square root of fourth root of 20 minus of root of root 5 plus 1. Now here you will get a square root of 2 fourth root of 20 minus 2 root of root 5 minus 1 by square root of 4 root 20 minus root of root 5 plus 1. So here we'll get a plus 1 now. Now you can take root 2 common here, or you can take 2 common. 4 root of 20 minus square root of root 5 plus 1 by, here I am taking root 2 common. Outside I am taking from this root 2. So here the denominator will be square root of 4 root 20 minus root of root 5 plus 1. So the numerator and denominator is having same value, both will get cancelled. So the answer is root 2. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.